embryo and the seed coat, or the fruit itself. So it's right through there. It's what would have been like the nucleus of the in the flower, because this comes from the integument, and then this is the outside of it. So the whole thing is just a connection. Okay. So pollen. And I think everybody got that one right pretty much, didn't they? Okay. I could also ask about this. What's the outside coat called?
Exine.
Exine. Was this the flower you saw?
No.
No. Okay. So the same basic flower parts, but is this a superior ovary, an inferior ovary? What kind of ovary do we have here? An inferior ovary. Okay. So if you use those other terms, is this flower epigynous, hypogynous, epigynous, or
epigynous?
So there's epi is above, hypo is below. What's the one in the middle? Peri. Perigynous. Thank you. Perigynous. Okay. So, which one is this?
The peri. Perigynous.
Well, this is the ovary down here. Right? So the flower parts come out above it, around it.
That's
Epigynous.
So the female part is below. So it's, hypogynous. Female part below the flower. If these petals were, or if the corolla came down out of here, that would be the epigynous. Epigynous. Same thing we saw before, just bigger. So what is this? No takers on that one, huh?
ovary.
Not an ovary.
An embryo.
It's an ovule.
Sorry.
Okay, and you've got how many nuclei do you see in there? Two up here. Say 2 down here. So this is a 4-cell stage. Okay, and the nuclei look different, so it's the second 4-cell stage rather than the first 4-cell stage. And then the rest of this stuff, what are these things called? Integuments. What's this little channel up between right here, up between the integuments? Micropyle. What's the connection between the integuments and the placenta?
Funiculus.
Funiculus. Funiculus. What's this space?
Locule.
Locule. Locule? What kind of fruit? Okay. Peepo. Somebody likes to say. How about this? What kind of fruit?
Berry.
Berry. What kind of fruit?
Melon.
Okay. And on the pepo, what part is this part? What part of the fruit? Exocarp. What part's this? Exocarp. And then the lining in here?
Endocarp.
Endocarp. Okay. Another melon. That's upside down, but what are these?
Nuts.
Legume. Yes. How do I know it's upside down?
Yes.
Don't they look like they're going to fall off that? I'll show you. Much better. Now it looks like they're not going to fall off. Now they're properly arranged.
Wait, we changed it.
Okay, this is upside down too, but it doesn't matter. What type of fruit?
Home.
Foam. Okay, and so, what part is this part?
Floral tube?
Floral tube, accessory tissue, receptacle, any of that stuff is good. Okay, so, can fool you guys only one time, huh? This one we didn't see before, but it was listed on one of your things. So, what flower are we looking at here? Come on, field biology people. California poppy. And what kind of fruit? It pops open. A capsule. Capsule. This is upside down too. I must probably put them all in upside down. What type of fruit is this? You guys remember what this one was called in English?
Fucking arms tired.
Rubine mesquite. So a bean is, what is a bean? A legume, so this is a legume. I got a lot of, this watermelon must have been really loved by somebody, because I got lots of people with this watermelon. This is an Australian watermelon now, because it's upside down. What type of fruit is that?
Berry.
Aggregate fruits made from one flower or many flowers?
Many.
And wrong answer. One flower with many pistils. This is sideways. Here, I'll show you the fruit without the plant. There's a fruit without the plant. What kind of fruit was that?
Nut.
No. Spice bush is a plant. Remember what spice bush was? Capsule. Yeah. That's out of focus. We'll see one in focus a little bit. What kind? Multiple. So multiple fruits are made from what kind of flower? One or many flowers? Many flowers. What type? Legume. There it is, opened up on the inside. What type of fruit? A berry. Yellow ball of some kind. Hesperidium. Okay. There it is, opened up. So on this one, where is what's the exocarp in this? But just the outside yellow part is the exocarp, and this is the mesocarp, and this is where the endocarp is. And then all these juice sacs are not, they're essentially the locule. Yeah, so the colored part on the outside of the rind is exocarp, the white part is mesocarp, and the lining of these, the part you eat, and that white stuff you pull off, that would be the endocarp.
See?
I'm sorry, what? The exocarp has, well, yeah, the exocarp has the oil glands in it. Did any of you guys do the experiment of squeezing these with fire and see what happens? Nobody did that? You guys have no experimental soul. What do you think that is?
Pumpkin.
And so a pumpkin is?
People!
Very good. How about these? Samara. Is it dehiscent or indehiscent? Remember what those words mean? Dehiscent are splitting of their own accord, indehiscent don't split. So, does this split or not?
Yeah.
Does not split. What's that?
Brazilian nut.
And this, what type of fruit? Capsule?
Home.
home again. What kind of fruit is this? The coconut, okay. What kind of fruit is the coconut? Fruit. So is this the whole fruit or just part? This is just the endocarp, right? So you get endocarp here. The exocarp is all the fibrous stuff, and or the mesocarp is the fibrous stuff, and the exocarp is that big shiny thing on the outside of the coconut. What's this a picture of?
Antler.
Okay. So what's this right here? Line of dehiscence. And what are these in here?
Almond grain.
Pollen grain. And what part is this part right here? Starts with a T? Tapetum? This is just a younger version of what you just saw, so this would be the tapetum right here. What are these here?
Pollen grain.
No, they're not pollen grains yet. They're microspore mother cells.
Yeah.
It's got to go through meiosis and then mitosis to become pollen grains. Some of them are trying to do it right now.
Cool.
Too many nuclei. And how many nuclei in this thing? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a mature ovule. The thing's not quite arranged all the way right yet, but pretty close. Here's what's this little gap right here? That's a micropyle. So these are the integuments. And so on this one, you can pretty much make an assumption that we're looking at egg nucleus, the synergids, this.